Good morning, student. Chapter number 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. First of all, what is variation? There several related questions are dealt with scientifically in a branch of biology as a genetics. Genetics involve DNA and second RNA. DNA is a full form deoxynucleic acid, ribonucleic acid and RNA ribonucleic acid. This subject deals with the inheritance as well as the variation of characters of parents to offspring. Means parents transform to the daughter or son. Inheritance is the process by which character are passed on the parent to progeny. This is a parent, this is a progeny. It is the basic of heredity. Variation is the degree by which progeny different from their parents. Means parents transfer to the progeny many variation observed. This inheritance and variation. Humans knew from early as 8000 to 1000 BC that one of cause of variation was hidden in sexual reproduction. Most of the variation observed in sexual reproduction. For example, two types: Mendel's laws of inheritance of one gene and two gene. For example, this is a dominant trait. This is a recessive trait. Character of seed shape, round shape. This is a wrinkle shape. A wrinkle means irregular shape. Seed color, yellow or green. Flower color, violet or white. Pod shape, full or constricted. It is irregular. Pod color, green or yellow. Flower position, this is axial, means straight, only one direction. Terminal means any direction, two side. Stem height, it is a tall, and this is a small, means dwarf. Dwarf means small plant. Mendel's law of inheritance. First off, it was during of mid 19th century. It was made in the understanding of inheritance. First of all, discovered George Mendel conducted hybridization experiment on garden peas. This is the most important question for the Mendel's law. First experiment for garden peas in 7 years in 1856 to 1863 and proposed the laws of inheritance living of organism. During this Mendel's of investigation into inheritance pattern, it was the first time satisfied analysis for mathematically logical applied for problem in biology. His experiment had large sample size which gave greater credibility to data he collected and confirmation of his inference from experiment for successive generation and test for plants proved that the result pointed general rules of inheritance rather than being on substance ideas. First of all, idea Mendel's investigated for character in the garden pea. This is the observation for 7 pairs of contracting traits in pea plant studied by Mendel's law. Result observed Mendel's investigated characters in the garden pea plant that were manifested of two offspring trait, means one type of a tall and second is a small plant. Small plants mean dwarf plants. Yellow or green seed, this is a yellow or green seed. These allow him to set up basic framework of rules governing inheritance which was expanded on by later scientific to account for all the diverse natural observation and the complexity inherent in them. This is the first of Mendel's law to artificially pollination cross pollination experiment using for true breeding P lines. A true continuous of self-pollination shows the stable traits inheritance and expression for several generations. Mendel select in NEET and Guchket MCQs 14 true breeding pea plant varieties as a pair of similar aspect of one character. One character means only one gene with contracting traits. Some of the contracting traits selected were smooth and wrinkled seed. This is a smooth and wrinkle. This is a round and wrinkle. And observation for this table, this character, this is a stem height, contracting traits, tall or dwarf, flower color, violet or white, flower position, axial or terminal, pod shape, inflated or contracted, pod color, green or yellow, seed shape, round or wrinkle, seed color, yellow or green. This table is observed from this figure. Clear? Next point, inheritance of one gene. First of all, flower collected. Observe this upper layer petal. This is a stigma, anther, stamen and carpel. Cut out for the removal of anthers. For emasculation procedure, parents to transfer from progeny means it is a one type of male parents and female. Transfer to the pollination for peas. This is a all tall plant. Observe means example of pea. Inheritance of one gene. First of all, definition of one gene. Let us take the example of the one such hybridization experiment carried out by Mendel's, where cross tall and dwarf pea plants study of inheritance only for one gene. He collected the seeds produced as a result of this cross, grew them to generate plants of the first hybrid generation. This generation is also called filial 1 progeny of the F1, and Mendel's observed that of the progeny F1 plants were tall like one of the parents, none were dwarf. Figure 5.3 observed. Means first of all, figure 5.3 draw. This is a tall plant. First plant is a tall parent plant. Second plant is a dwarf. Cross hybridization, F1 generation, tall plant and tall plant. Selfing crossination, cross hybridization of F1 generation of two tall plant for selfing. F1 generation, observe one gene is muted. 3 gene is a tall plant, 1 plant, small plant means dwarf plant. It is a monohybrid cross. Clear? Monohybrid cross. First figure and this. He made similar observation for other pairs of traits. He found the F1 always and parents. This conclusion observed for cross hybridization for monohybrid cross. Most important points for the Mendel's law. Mendel's then self-pollinated the tall F1 plants and surprise found in the filial 2 generation for the F1 generation was expressed means dwarf were 1/4 and F2 plant is a 3/4 plant were tall. Means first observation for ratio 3:1. 3:1 means 3 plant is a tall plant and 1 plant is a dwarf plant. After this condition, based on the observation of Mendel's proposed that something where stability for passed down for genes, only one gene is alleles. One gene is alleles. Alleles means it is a one type of dwarf. After two capital TT and small tt means alphabet traits experiment for the Mendel's law. This is a Mendel's law experiment for this means monohybrid cross. Observe for capital TT, it is a tall plant. Small tt dwarf plant. Capital T it is gametes. Small t gametes. Cross hybridization, this cross this. Observe for tall T capital small t, selfing, capital T, small t. Second, F2 generation observed for capital TT means this. Phenotype ratio observed for 3 tall plant and 1 dwarf plant means genotype ratio is observed for monohybrid gene for 1 gem 2 gem 1 means this is a Punnett square theory. This is a Punnett square theory. Clear? This is a Punnett square theory. First of all, this figure and explain this figure only. First of all, male means capital TT, male means capital TT, and female means small tt. Gene take out. This is a Punnett square theory. Clear? This is a Punnett square theory. An observation for ratio for 1/4 by 1/2 for 1/4. This is a ratio for Punnett square 1 gem 2 gem 1. Clear? This is a Mendel's first law theory. After load of domination means this is a test cross theory. Second theory is a test cross.